You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hello, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a new Cricut mystery box. And not only a new mystery box, a brand new cutie. I know, so many people have been waiting. When do we get a new cutie? And this one's called the Sunset Cutie, and I have not peeked yet, because I always like to be surprised. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what's in the Cricut Sunset Soiree mystery box. So we're going to save the cutie for the end of the box to look at them. I know I said I'd keep the cutie till the end, but let me just say I have to show the cutie first because you have to go buy the box. Once I show the cutie, go buy it because it's going to be gone. It's going to be gone. We're going to do some editing magic. I'm going to take the end of the video, insert it here so you can actually see the cutie, because believe me, you're going to want this. And last but not least, we've got a cutie. I'm excited for this as you guys are because I have not seen it yet. So we're going to experience this together. Oh my gosh. My dreams are like coming true because I said, you have no idea. Me and Alex have talked. I'm like, ooh, an ombre. I'm so excited for this. This is amazing. It's just what it's honestly, by the name, I was like, when I see the name of this and I seen it with Sunset, I was like, Sunset's kind of gradient. It's kind of ombre. Are you guys ready? Oh, look at him. He's Sunset. He's really, they did it. They did ombre. Look, I'm so excited. I can't even get him straight in the camera. There we go. Look at the Sunset Cutie. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm like just stuck on oh my gosh. Is it not beautiful? Well, you guys know with the Sunset Cutie, it's going to go extremely, extremely, extremely fast. So just don't even listen to me talk anymore. Just go buy the box. First up, we're getting Cricut Joy insert cards. So this is the macaroon sampler, and this is the 4.5 by 6.25 inch, or the R30 as they call it. So you can use this with the Cricut Joy card mat. You can also use it with the new Cricut Joy Extra card mat, and you can also use it with the Cricut 2x2 card mat. In this, you're gonna get a total of 12 cards to make. So you're gonna get 3 tulip color, which is like, let's see, 3 tulip, which is like soft pink, 3 powder blue, like baby blue, 3 whispering blue, which to me is really close to sage color, and then 3 lavender, very lilac-y. And you're gonna have 12 of the gunmetal bronze inserts, and then 12 envelopes also. And we're gonna get some Cricut Sports Flex iron-on in white. So this is 12 by 24 inches, and this is perfect for those active wear materials like polyester and nylon. So they have the stretch in it that will adhere to those stretchy fabrics. So 12 by 24 inches of that. And then we're getting some gold glitter iron-on mesh, nice and sparkly. And this you're gonna get 12 by 19 inches of. You can put this on all different kinds of things. You can make tote bags, cosmetic bags. I know Melody made a pair with some shoes once. You can put it on, make jerseys, shirts. But I love the idea of cutting the numbers to support your baseball player or your football player or your softball player in your family. And then you can cut their numbers, put it on, put their last name on too with some regular iron-on, and then have their numbers in some sparkly. We are getting some Cricut removable matte premium vinyl, and this is the wine color, and you're gonna get 12 by 48 inches of this. I love this color. This is a good fall, winter color. And we're getting some foil transfer sheets. These are the 4 by 6 inch. You're gonna get 24 of these, and these are the pretty rose gold color. So you can add your foil accents to cards. I love the look at this on a card. I really love using like the metallic ones on a dark card. Put it on black or navy, and they show up so good. And they just add a nice shiny accent. You will use your Cricut foil transfer tool to go ahead and do this. And here's a little tip for the Joy and the Joy Extra. Those machines do not score, but you can take your tip that you would use for the foil transfer, put it in, and then put a line on there to foil, but don't really put the foil on, and then you're gonna have a score line on your card. It's just kind of a workaround and a trick and a tip, but it totally works. And we're getting some metallic iron-on mosaic in silver. You're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of this. I call this disco ball. I recently made a disco ball flamingo shirt with this, and I love it. Love it. And can you see this adorable little outfit they made that's on here? This is so stinking cute. They customized the pants and the top with it using the metallic iron-on. And I know when my daughter was little, the more bling, the better. She would love this. That's so stinking cute. And it's a really simple design too. That's adorable. Ooh, and I love this. This is Cricut and Martha Stewart. This is a mixed materials pack, which I always love mixed materials because it gives you some different things to work with. This is the white tie Soiree. So in here, you're going to get some premium vinyl shimmer, adhesive foil, premium vinyl, and then transfer tape. Each sheet you get is going to be 12 by 12 inches. And you're going to get 2 sheets of this black shimmer. Ooh, you could cut this out and then have it cut out where you foil in it and put it on the front of a card and have that rose gold foil with the black shimmer vinyl around it. That would be gorgeous. Use that with this. We also have the silver shimmer vinyl. And then we also have the silver adhesive foil. And then you're also going to get a sheet of the white premium vinyl. And then you're also going to get transfer tape. That's fun. I love those mixed material ones because you get a little bit of different stuff to use all in one tube. And we're getting 3 12 by 12 of the fabric grip mats. So you're going to go ahead and use this for cotton, denim, bonded fabrics, and you also use it for felt, which if you got the last Cricut mystery box was the Party Ready mystery box that had felt in it. So these are the mats that you will use to cut those. That is everything in the Sunset Soiree mystery box, so thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate it. But because we get a cutie, it is access exclusive only, which means it's $59.99, but it's not because you get your access discount. Links are below to go ahead and purchase the box. If you're not access discount, or if you're not a member of access, but you want to join because you want to get this cutie, because believe me, you want this cutie and the box. Links are also in the description below to join access. So go ahead, join access, buy this box, because I guarantee you, I'm talking so fast because I'm like, it's going to sell out. I got to talk fast. But go get him. He's amazing. I have a new favorite cutie, and it's Sunset Cutie. Oh my gosh. Why do I feel like I won the lottery of cuties or something? It's so funny. I'm so happy. If you could, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We will always bring you the mystery boxes as soon as they become available. And in the description below is how you can join our email list. You will get an email as soon as the mystery boxes go live. That way you don't have to miss out on a mystery box. And now we have this. I'm like, is there more coming? Is there going to be more ombre ones? Like, this just opens a whole new world of cuties. And in the links below is our Melody Lane giveaway. So go ahead and check out that. And there is a couple different giveaways going on from Cricut right now. So go ahead and go to our Facebook group, Cricut Design Space. And in the featured section, you will see different giveaways pinned that you can enter. One is giving away a Joy Extra to you and 3 friends. Not just you, but 3 friends also. We're giving away $100 to one winner this month to spend at Cricut.com, which they just launched the new materials, so you can grab some of those new materials. I just used the printable iron-on last night, and I absolutely love it. I actually made this last night with the Cricut tote bag and the new printable iron-on. I designed this with some images from the recent Cricut Disney Winnie the Pooh mystery box. But how cute is that? Wouldn't this be adorable in a nursery? Think on a pillow, you could put it on a bedding set, you could make wall art even with it. And Cricut is having their Give Thanks event, so they have different challenges going on. And one was to take this thank you image here, this says thank you, and then turn it into a card. So I decided to add a buzz and bee, made a honeycomb card, and it's thank you for being a friend. Isn't that cute? I know, now you want to sing the song. Because I did too. But you can find this. This is in our community projects in Cricut Design Space. So just look us up, Melody Lane, and you can go ahead and make this. And we have over 1,200 projects like that too that are available to our Patreon supporters on patreon.com/melodylane. For $2 a month, you get access to that and our 24/7 crafting Zoom, which is a great place. Make crafty friends while you craft at home. They do different projects. We have different events in there. We do hangouts. Thank you guys for watching. I was so glad I could bring you the new cutie. I hope you're excited as I am for the new cutie. So go ahead, leave a comment. Comment below, did you get the box? I hope you get the box. I know you're going to want the box, so I hope you get the box, but they'll go fast. And thank you to our admins in Cricut. We greatly appreciate you. And we will see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching, and happy crafting. Remember, make it happy crafting. Even if you mess up, laugh at yourself. I did a lot of that recently, but I'll share it with you because I always share my mess ups so you don't make the mess ups. So thank you guys. We'll see you next time. And toodles from Alex. Bye.